Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Club. Today is our 7th episode and we are going through strings, characters, doubles, and booleans. These programs are all pretty easy, so I think we can get through it in 5 or so minutes. So first off, our second program, it says, set your name as a string and your last initial as a character. Print the string and character. So let's start off by initializing the string. So I'll do string name, and I'll put a semicolon for now, and I'll do character, car, or char, whatever, and I'll do last initial. That'll be the variable name. So once we do that, I will do name equals, and I will call myself Phineas, even though that's not my real name. I'm not going to give away my real name as of right now, and my last initial. Sorry for the super duper loud keyboard. It's like right next to my microphone. I need to figure out a way to get my microphone further away from my keyboard or vice versa. So last initial, I will do 1. That's not really it's 1 can count as a character, but you can also do K or G, but you can't do 2 letters. It has to be 1 letter or 1 character on the keyboard. And let's print that out. Sys out and then control space. And I will do name plus, and then I'll put a space in between name and character, and then I'll do last initial. And if I print this out, I should get, wait a second, I forgot the plus sign. Let me put a plus sign there and it should work. So let's run this and I should get Phineas 1. Does this work? It does. So I got Phineas 1. So once we got that, we can go to the next one. So we have doubles, and initialize 2 doubles and add them. The answer should be 4.2. So let's initialize 2 doubles. Double 1, and I'll name this, I'll set it equal to 1.9, and I'll put a semicolon there, and I'll do double 2, and I'll initialize this to 2.2. I do not 2.3. My goodness, am I that bad at math? I have to go back to like elementary school. Okay, and then I'll do sys out 1 plus 2, and if I run this, I should get 4.2. I got y. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's close enough. It's basically 4.2. So we got it. Who cares? Okay, and booleans. Initialize a boolean as true, set it as false, and print the boolean. And also, there's a way to make it 4.2. It's just like some weird formatting I don't care enough about. So, initialize a boolean as true. So I'll do bool, true, or false, and I'll set that equal to true. And then I'll set it as false, so true or false is equal to false. And it is not bool, it's actually boolean, just no capital B. If you do the capital B, it becomes something else. So let's just name it, let's make it lowercase b. So true or false is equal to false, and then we'll do sys out, true or false. And just to make sure that it was true before, I'm going to do a sys out statement right before. And let's see what happens. So I run that. I get Phineas 1, I get 4.199999999, and I get true and then false because it was first true and then it became false. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are officially done with the beginner problems, and in the next video we are going to be starting the intermediate problems, and we are going to be doing where your ID. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!